how to check if an item is returnable or not in Temu before buying. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to check if you can return the item after buying or not, let's dive right in. You need to open up your browser, go to temu.com, then just scroll to the product and then you can just find the one that you want to buy. And to check the return eligibility, you need to scroll down. And here you can see under order guarantee, there is free returns option. So that means the item is returnable. You can tap on it and you can see there is free returns within 90 days of purchase. So that's how you check the return eligibility. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.